Hello, Ed channel. Now, before I start, I'd just like to say, press the like button, and please subscribe if you want to follow my videos, because it would be a great help to me. Obviously, give me a bit of more enthusiasm, and then please feel free to make a comment, whether good or bad. I don't mind what you say, because obviously any comment's better than no comment. So, as I said before, follow this, there will be a little bit of video, and it's about those calipers. So let's just see what you think and whether you like it. If you don't, I'm sorry. I have a bit of trouble with the caliper. It's on, and it's great. And this side is just fouling the spacer shim that's on there, the washer. Other than that, it's fitting on there quite nicely. It's wired up now single line, with a, as you see here, leading in from the back. So that's right. Yes, you're right. I did modify them by drilling through between the cylinders. And this one has got another problem. This one is not allowing it to go round. Well, it is now, but it's just not, I don't think, very. It needs to go that way by about 25 thou, which is what the other side is spaced, because it's not running in the centre. So that's the next thing to do. We've also got the bottom hose coming together there. My right hand man was helping with that today. We're going to move that around, get that pipe further over, but other than that, we've got the shroud we're going to use, which is the original, but we're going to try and mount maybe that fan or a fan in it. I don't know. We'll see. Wiring is all, as you say, sorted out. We've got the plug for there, which is a lorry plug. Still no movement on the roof. A little bit more of messing around inside. With a bit more paintwork. Nice board wiring. Found a clock. Got a few other more issues, but that's nothing that great. Still got that hole to do there. Still got that to do. I've got that to do. Still got a hole in there to do. Welded that in. Got that sorted out. Done with the other side. Bit more paint. Found an air hole. Oh God, I don't know. Loads of crap really. But yeah, look. I don't think it's looking too bad. And from the point of view of the brake conversion, well, I think it should be fine. But we'll know. We'll give her a test that anyway, and we'll let you know, and you'll see it when it's done. So for the minute, if you enjoyed that, which I hope you did, then keep looking. Talk to you soon.